how can you make animal education skeleton videos like this? Take a close look at this example. I recently came across a channel producing these animal skeleton-style animations, and with just 12 uploads, the creator managed to gain nearly 57,000 subscribers in only 9 days. And as you already know, on this channel, we only share free, tested strategies to create trending AI videos that actually work. So today, once again, we're going to show you how to create these kinds of animal educational videos using completely free AI tools. First, head over to ChatGPT, tap on Explore GPTs, and search for a model called X-ray Animal Reference. Open it up and click on Start Chat. Then simply type the name of the animal you want to make a video about. For example, dog. The GPT will generate 4 detailed image prompts for you. We'll use those prompts to create the reference images for our video. Now, carefully copy the first full prompt from the image prompt section. Once you've copied it, go to Grok AI and open the text-to-image section, also called Imagine. Paste the prompt into the text box and hit Generate. Within a few seconds, you'll get a green screen skeleton-style image of the dog. Download the version you like the most, then repeat the same process. Copy the remaining prompts one by one from ChatGPT, paste them into Grok AI, and generate the front view and side view images. Download all of them. These green screen images will serve as your reference assets, and you can reuse them again and again for future videos on your channel. Now, to create full scenes with realistic backgrounds, head back to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs again, and this time search for a model called Animal X-Ray Shorts. Open it and tap on Start Chat. Next, clearly describe your video idea. For example, dog eating a burger. Once you send it, ChatGPT will generate multiple detailed scene prompts, including the background, the action, and even the camera angles. After that, go back to Grok AI. This time, upload one of the green screen dog images you downloaded earlier. Choose the one that fits your scene, whether it's a front view or a side view. You can pick any of the 4 reference images depending on what works best for your shot. Now copy the first complete scene prompt, generated by ChatGPT, and paste it into Grok AI's prompt box. Click Generate, and your full background scene image will be created. Download it, then repeat the same steps for the remaining scene prompts until all your images are ready. Once all the images are generated, it's time to turn them into videos. But before that, clearly decide your video topic. For example, what happens if your dog eats only burgers? Now, open Grok AI's image to video feature and upload your first scene image. In the prompt box, describe the motion in simple, clear words. For example, the dog slowly sniffs the burger and then takes a bite. Then click Generate and download the video. For the second scene, upload the second image and describe that the dog starts eating the burger more aggressively. Once it's generated, download it. For the third scene, upload the next image and write that the dog becomes noticeably fatter and starts looking unhealthy while still eating the burger. Download that clip as well. For the fourth scene, create a video where the dog has gained a lot of fat and appears sad and uncomfortable. Generate it and save the file. And for the fifth and final scene, generate a clip where the dog is extremely overweight, still eating the burger, and end it with a dramatic boom moment. Once that's done, all your videos will be ready. For the voiceover, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a narration for a 5-scene short video, where each scene lasts around 5 to 6 seconds. Tell it to explain, month by month, what would happen if a dog ate only burgers for his entire life. It should describe how in the first month, he eats curiously. In the second month, he turns more aggressive. In the third month, he starts gaining weight. In the fourth month, he becomes unhealthy and sad. And in the fifth month, he ends up extremely overweight with a dramatic conclusion. ChatGPT will generate a YouTube-friendly script for you. Copy that script and open any free text-to-speech website. Paste the narration, choose a voice you prefer, and click Convert. Once the voiceover is ready, download the audio file to your device. Next, open any video editor. I'm using CapCut. Upload your voiceover and the clips you created with Grok AI. Place them on the timeline and align the voiceover with the visuals. Trim and cut wherever necessary to match the flow. Add simple transitions if you like, and your final video is ready. Let's take a look at the result. What happens if your dog eats only burgers for his entire life? Month 1. He eats them curiously, tail wagging, thinking he's found the best meal ever. Month 2. The constant grease and salt start affecting his mood, and he becomes more restless and aggressive. Month 3. The weight begins to pile on, his belly grows, and he can't run like he used to. Month 4. His health declines. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.